Weekly recap. Let's just start with Flutter. I progressed in Flutter, especially in cryptography. Cryptography is a cool package. In this cryptography package, you have various key exchanges, algorithms. To get into those algorithms, I discovered that I can use unit testing, because in unit testing, you can write down your whole logic. It tests your logic if it works. That's pretty convenient before you implement the logic into an actual app. For example, I have a chat messenger. For this chat messenger, I have the cryptography with asynchronous and synchronous keys. And to test this in unit tests helped me a lot in getting the logic right and then implementing this logic. You can test pretty much everything, even serialization and deserialization of model classes. That's perfect. I should use more unit tests, so this could be a message to my future self. Moreover, I tried the widgets package. I'm trying a lot of packages right now, but the widgets package is pretty cool. You can have native widgets and access them via your Flutter app. For example, the calendar widget, where you have your calendars on your home screen on iOS or Android. That's a widget, and you can do those with Flutter. Yeah, you have a Flutter library for everything. But that's a package I've looked into a little bit. The design is something else, because you have to design natively. What did I do at study? I finally finished the last of my home classes, of my home exams. Let's go to study. I'm currently doing a master's degree in psychology, applied psychologies. I got my last exam done, so that means I'm now at the master thesis, and for this master thesis I'm required to do literature research. I would like to do something about UI and UX, so the influence of UX on behavior, for example, and maybe combine this with selling techniques. For example, there are 3 selling techniques, and how do you apply it in UX? That would be pretty cool, that I get a niche, and in this niche I find a lot of literature and studies, gain some insights and knowledge. That would be cool for the master's thesis. Ooh, I can make my notes bigger. Yeah, I started getting up early again. Mostly I'm awake at 6 a.m. and then I'm going to go for a walk or a run, and we're going to have a tournament at work with a few friends and a lot of people in soccer. And soccer hasn't been my greatest strength. My dad told me the stories of me being in a football club. We call it here football, but in the soccer club, the first time I've been there, I argued with the trainer and the referee why I should run and why they aren't running. The second time I just gathered some flowers. So that's my soccer experience so far, and now I'm going for a run every day at 6 a.m. and playing a little bit ball. My goal is ultimately to be in the best form at playing soccer that I can be, because I'm playing with a few friends in a team, and I want myself to be the best version of myself. So I have this feeling of letting my team down if I don't train it, if I have the opportunity. So I'm currently training a little bit of soccer every day. It's about ball control so far, but maybe I'm going to a soccer place or a club and then kicking some balls. This started with my fitness club moving to a different location. I like to go to the fitness club doing some sports, so I like to run there, inline skate, or go by bicycle, because it would defy the idea of doing sports if I go there by car, in my opinion, and I just like to be 5 minutes away from it. Since my fitness club moved, I used the last month of it to do some yoga. Yeah, I'm going running every day, maybe. Or maybe I find a new club here. And I always want to upload YouTube stuff and to cut and find some music and to reflect on myself. I think the reflection part is a big thing, because I tried a lot of journaling. For example, I have here a journal, but I can't keep myself to commit to journaling every day. So maybe I'm just writing my thoughts down and then doing once a week a video. This could be my substitution for a journal. I like this idea. It's my secret passion, to record some things and to edit, make it look beautiful, more beautiful on each video. So maybe I'm not going to record all of those videos in my room. Maybe outside, maybe on the grass, in the garden, just for fun. Let's see what happens. I have good Jasmin tea here. I love it. And it has a small saying: inspire others through your peaceful presence. The last topic is the car of my grandpa. My grandpa had a car. It's from 1999. It's in perfect shape. We've been at the mechanic. He told us 5 years you have an old-timer. It will run the next 10 years without major interruptions. I just have to keep the wheels, the brakes, everything intact. Go regularly to inspections. And then I said, okay, maybe I don't really need a car. I'm a big fan of public transportations, but I like to look into this car and make it a little fitter, clean everything up. If I want, I can extract change a few things and learn a lot. Now I have so many ideas about light bulbs, LEDs inside, different things, JDM tuning, but I am absolutely not a car professional, so if I do some things on my car, I should record them. That would be probably funny or interesting or both. Yeah, having a car is very convenient, so it's 2 hours less a day when I drive to work, because the bus takes me 45 minutes to get to the train station, at least 45 minutes, and by car it's just 15 minutes, and that's not 2 hours. Yeah, but I measured it, it's 2 hours less if I take the car to the train station. That's pretty convenient. So much for my weekly recap. You enjoyed. I hope you have a great week. See ya.